So today we're in Berkshire at a beautiful house built by Berkeley Homes, where we have a single garage that needed a lot of storage for items like golf clubs and general household storage that couldn't be kept in the house. We had to put a lot of storage up high because the owner wanted to keep his car in the garage. So we put wall storage, floor, ceiling racks, and here is the owner to tell us what he thinks.
I like Garageflex solution for three reasons. One, it looks so neat. Two, it keeps the garage totally dust free. And of course, as Alastair has said, there's huge storage opportunity. We have so much here that we couldn't keep in the house, because as you may know, in modern houses there's no attics. It's a perfect solution.